Charlie before and after, safety improvement, removing the sharp hook plates off the side of the trolleys, they're unneeded anyway. Chris has now added a forklift rotor, so on Monday morning we know who's on forklift duty. Phil making his improvement, and I vacuumed the floor in the packing area, making it premium. And Phil was setting a line for the maximum amount of trolleys to be stored there, great job. Alex with before and after, cleaning under the racking, making that look shine and premium too. Mark upstairs, clearing away some boxes and overflowing bin, so it should be. This is Mark's after picture. There was a big piece of plastic there that I had to clean away during fresh time, but it should never have been there. We need to keep it premium at all times. I was vacuuming upstairs and I found the problem. There was rivets all over the floor where someone had filled up a box and just left them. Remember, let's keep it premium at all times and respect the place. Also, this is the kitchen door, footprints all over it. Remember, there's a handle that we can all use.